Okay, for this question, yeah, it's sort of a funny rule. So if you have any base raised to log of that same base of whatever, then your answer is just that square. Let me give you another example. So, well, let's do this one. So 8 to the log base 8 of 6x. I don't have that right. 8 log 8 6x. Okay, and let's make that equal to something. Let's call it z. So if I were wanting to change this equation from right now it's exponential notation. If I wanted to change it to log notation, there's already log there, but that's up in the exponent. So if I wanted to change it to log form, it'd be log base 8 of z is equal to whatever's up in the exponent, log base 8 of 6x. So when you look at this now, it's log 8 of z equal log 8 of 6x. I can drop the logs. So therefore, the answer, that whole thing, this whole thing, or z, is just 6x. I don't know if that helped explain, but that's the same rule for that one over there.